5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. By these proceedings, which have been instituted in the form of a public interest litigation, a writ of quo warranto has been sought in regard to the appointment of the third respondent as chairperson of the Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Services Commission. The third respondent was appointed in pursuance of a notification dated 15 July 2015. The petitioner seeks an appropriate direction or writ for setting aside the appointment of the third respondent on the ground that it was in violative of the provisions contained in section 4 (2) (b) of the Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Services Commission Act 1980 02 UP Act 16 of 1980 stanza. Section 4 of the Act provides for the compensation of the Commission. Subsection (1) contemplates that the Commission shall consist of a chairperson and members. Members of the Commission shall be not less than 2 and not more than 6. The appointment of the chairperson and members is made by the state government. Section 4 provides as follows. The controversy in the present case turns upon Section 4 (2) (b). Section 4 (2) (b) requires that to be eligible for appointment as a chairperson, a person must either be or must have been a member of the Indian Administrative Service. The second requirement is that the person must have held the post of a secretary to the state government or any other post under the state government equivalent thereto. Stanza. The third respondent was promoted to the Indian Administrative Service on 28 November 2012, and for the purpose of seniority he was assigned the batch of 1999. By a notification dated 1 January 2015, he was promoted to the super time pay scale in pay band 4 of rupees 37400 to 6700 with the grade pay of rupees 10,000. At the time when the notification was issued, the third respondent held the post of collector and district magistrate and was posted at Sitapur. The third respondent retired from service on 30 June 2015 as collector. In anticipation of this retirement, a communication dated 12 June 2015 was issued by the Joint Secretary to the State Government in the Directorate of Pensions to facilitate the finalization of his pensionary benefits. The communication was addressed to the third respondents as IAS and Collector Sitapur. A super time pay scale officer who is eligible for being posted as a secretary and has been posted somewhere else shall not be treated as inferior to an officer who is posted against the post of secretary to the state government stop stranger. The first aspect is found on the submission that there is a total absence of procedure in the making of the appointment of the third respondent stop. While dealing with the first aspect, it would be important to note that the Commission has been constituted under state legislation. Stop. The background leading to the enactment of the law in 1980 was noticed in a judgment of a division bench of this court in Gorakhpur University Affiliated College Teacher Association versus State of UP 3. While considering a challenge to the appointment of the members of the Commission. Stop over.